Welcome to the Agent Zone training videos. In this tutorial, we will take you through an overview of Agent Zone. We will look at how to log into Agent Zone, navigation in Agent Zone, the agency section, the agent section, and the user account section. Let's get started. To get to Agent Zone from the Property24 site, there is a link to Agent Zone in the footer on the Property24 site. Alternatively, you can bookmark the Agent Zone sign-in page to make it easier to navigate to in future. Agent Zone is a secure environment and requires a registered email address and password to log in. All Agent Zone accounts are also protected using two-step verification. Two-step verification provides additional security by sending a unique verification code to your mobile number or email address, which you will have to retrieve to complete the login process. If it is your first time logging into Agent Zone, you will be asked to select the two-step verification method. You can select to either use your mobile number or email address. If your mobile number on your account is incorrect, you can take this opportunity to enter the correct mobile number. If your email address is incorrect, you will have to contact the Property24 support team to update the email address associated with your account. Once your selection is made, click Send Code. Once you have completed the two-step verification process by entering the verification code sent to you, click Verify. Then click Continue to Agent Zone. You are now logged into Agent Zone. It's important to note that Agent Zone and Property24 shares a login, which means that if you are logged into one site, you are logged into the other too. Your start screen is the screen you initially see when you log in and depends on the access your user account has. It can therefore be different from the one displayed in the video. Users with the Agency Super User role manages Agent Zone access and will be able to grant access to all functionality highlighted in this video. Agency Super Users have full access to all agency and agent information. Regardless of where you have navigated to in Agent Zone, the Property24 logo can always be used to get back to your start screen. The top right account drop-down indicates all the sections your account has access to. This drop-down also contains a link to the Property24 website and the sign out link. We will now look at the functionality that is available in the agency section. You can navigate to the agency section by selecting it in the top right account drop-down. The name of the agency's information that you are viewing will be displayed at the top of the left navigation pane. The left navigation pane contains the agency selection control. If you are in the agency section and have access to more than one agency, you can use the agency selection control to change which agency's information you are viewing. If you only have access to one agency, the selection control will simply display the name of the agency you are viewing. The agency section contains agency, reporting, billing, and help menus. The first menu item under the agency menu is Listings. Listings displays all the listings of the agency that have been on Property24 in the last few months. Office displays the agency information that is saved and displayed on Property24. This information must be updated via the vendor the agency uses to save listings to Property24. For example, Prop Control. Agents displays all the agency's agents. Agent information is also updated via the vendor the agency uses to save listings to Property24. Promoted Listings displays all the agency's promoted listings. Promoted listings include featured and premium listings. You can also create new promoted listings here. Promoted Listing Approvals displays all promoted listing requests that are pending approval. Promoted listing requests can be approved or declined here. Communication and Access Control contains all the functionality required to manage internal contacts and Agent Zone access. Please refer to the Communication and Access Control video, which explains this functionality in depth. In the Reporting menu, you are able to see various statistics and other useful reports as an agency. Agency Statistics shows a summary of the performance of the agency's listings on Property24. Various filter options are available. The display type filter lets you filter out duplicate events and only show unique events. The listing type filter lets you filter out sale or rental listing statistics. The city and suburb filters lets you filter the statistics based on areas the agency had at least one listing in. The agency statistics can also be downloaded as a PDF. Listing statistics shows a detailed breakdown of statistics per listing. The grid that is displayed gives you a summary of the statistics for each listing. Clicking on a row in the grid will open a more detailed overview of the statistics for a listing. The listing statistics can also be downloaded as a PDF. Contact form messages lets you download the details of all the contact form messages submitted by users on your agency's listings. A specific period can be selected, as well as a listing type. Then click Download Contact Form Messages and the results will be downloaded in a CSV file. The CSV files can be opened in Microsoft Excel. Under Promoted Listings, you can download the details of all promoted listings that were approved or paid in a given period. Select the relevant period and then click Download. The results will be downloaded in a CSV file. Call Tracking Call Logs allows you to view and listen to calls received by the agency's agents. Please refer to the Call Tracking Call Logs video for more about this section. Call Tracking SMS Logs allows you to view SMSs received by the agency's agents. The Billing menu contains menu items related to the billing of the agency. Invoices allows you to view and download the invoices which are sent to the agency every month. Credit card invoices allows you to view and download the invoices for purchases paid for by credit card. Lastly, the Help menu contains material to assist you in understanding the various functionality that is available on Property 24 and Agent Zone. The material in this menu will be frequently updated to ensure that the information here remains relevant. The Help menu is the same in the Agency and Agent sections. We will now look at the functionality that is available in the Agent section. You can navigate to the Agent section by selecting it in the top right account drop-down. All information in the Agent section relates to the individual agent that is being viewed. The name of the agent's information that you are viewing will be displayed at the top of the left navigation pane. The first menu item under the Agent menu is Listings. Listings displays all the listings which are linked to the agent and that have been on Property 24 in the last few months. Promoted Listings is where you can view and apply for promoted listings, for example featured and premium listings. Promoted listings offer listings that are linked to the agent displayed here. In Contact Form Messages, you can download the details of all the contact form messages submitted by users on the agent's listings. Select dates and listing type as you did in the Agency section. Then click Download Contact Form Messages. The Billing section contains credit card invoices. Credit card invoices allows you to view and download the invoices for purchases paid for by credit card. We will now look at the functionality that is available in the User Account section. You can navigate to the User Account section by selecting it in the top right Account drop-down. In the User Account section, you can update your name, mobile number, and add a profile photo to your account. To update your mobile number, if it is your method of verification, you would use the Update two-step verification process by clicking on the Update two-step verification button. Your email address cannot be updated in Agent Zone. You will have to contact the Property 24 support team if you would like to update the email address associated with your account. You have now successfully covered how to log in to Agent Zone, navigation in Agent Zone, the Agency section, the Agent section, and the User Account section.